Hey guys, it's your boy Aijalonwallace. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about how to find staff and clients within the first 24 hours of you getting started today. If you guys don't know me by now, I am the Nomad Recruiter. I travel the world and make placements for a living. So if you are looking to start your recruiting or staffing agency, make sure you check out the links below at Nomad Recruiters Academy. You can check out some of my testimonials and some of my students who are still getting amazing results and scaling their agencies over 6 and 7 figures. So if you are looking for a coach for 2024, I want to be your coach. I want to be your mentor. I want to help you scale. So let's get straight into it, guys. So look, how to find clients, staffing clients within the first 24 hours. So listen, finding staffing clients in a short period, such as 24 hours, requires focus, okay, and strategic efforts. Here are some tips to help you quickly identify potential staffing clients. So first, we're going to start off with utilizing online platforms, okay? So visit online job portals, freelance websites, and industry-specific platforms. Look for companies posting jobs listings or seeking temporary staffing solutions. Also, you want to explore LinkedIn and other professional networking sites to identify businesses that may need staffing services, okay? So going into number 2, we're going to talk about networking, all right? So networking, so you want to leverage your existing professional network. Reach out to former colleagues, classmates, or contacts in your industry who may know of companies looking for staffing solutions. You want to attend local business events, meetups, or networking functions to connect with potential clients as well. Okay. 3 is going to be cold call emailing. So you want to create a list of target companies and contact their HR or hiring managers directly. Introduce yourself and explain how your staffing service can benefit their organization. Craft a compelling email pitch highlighting the value of what you can bring and the benefits of utilizing your staffing services. And number 4 is going to talk about offer special promotions. So consider offering a limited time promotion or a discount for new clients. Sometimes I even do a 2-for-1 deal with clients as well. This can grab attention of businesses looking to save on costs as well. Often companies are looking to save money and time. So you always have to ask them which one is most important and valued to them. 5 is going to be centered around social media outreach. So use social media platforms to search for companies in need of staffing solutions, okay? So join relevant groups or forums where businesses discuss their hiring needs. Share your expertise on platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram, and forums, showcasing your ability to provide staffing solutions. 6, you want to collaborate with local businesses. So partner with local businesses that may have seasonal or temporary staffing needs. This can include retail stores, event organizers, or hospitality businesses. And number 7, you want to advertise locally. Run targeted ads in your local newspaper, community boards, or online classifieds. Highlight your staffing services and how they can benefit businesses in need. 8, you want to optimize your website and online presence. So ensure your website is optimized for search engine. Potential clients often search for staffing solutions online, so having a strong online presence is crucial. Showcase your expertise and success stories on your website to build credibility. And most importantly, number 9, I want you to offer referral incentives. So encourage your existing clients or contacts to refer businesses in need of staffing services. Consider offering referrals incentives to motivate them. So sometimes I may do like on a 20K or 30K deal or a 10K deal, I may offer $1,000 referral bonus, sometimes 500 referral bonus. I even offer in crypto referral bonuses as well. Number 10, be proactive and responsive as well. So respond quickly to inquiries and demonstrate your commitment to providing prompt and reliable staffing solutions. A fast response time can set you apart from competitors. Remember that business relationships trust takes time. So even if you don't secure clients within your first 24 hours, these efforts can set the foundations for future success. Listen, it's your boy Aijalonwallace. If you love my content, I need you to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more content like this, I'm going to be sharing a lot of new videos with you, add a lot of new content this year as well. Listen, hit that like button, subscribe to that channel. I got 10 kids to feed. I don't have no children. I'm just joking with you guys, but I can't wait to see you soon on the next video. Talk to you soon.